In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. What is the first pillar of Islam? Shahada. How many times do Muslims pray daily? Five. Who is the last prophet in Islam? Muhammad, peace be upon him. What is the holy book of Islam? Quran. What is the direction of prayer called? Qibla. How many chapters, surahs, are in the Quran? One 114. What is the Islamic fasting month? Ramadan. What is the pilgrimage to Makkah called? Hajj. What is the charity Muslims must give yearly? Zakat. What is the first surah of the Quran? Al-Fatiha. Which angel brought revelation to prophets? Jibril. What is the Islamic place of worship? Mosque. What is the day of weekly congregational prayer? Friday. What is the festival after Ramadan? Eid ul-Fitr. What is the festival after Hajj? Eid ul-Adha. What is the Arabic term for God? Allah. Which month marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar? Muharram. What is the second holiest city in Islam? Medina. Which surah is called the heart of the Quran? Yasin. Who will blow the trumpet on Judgment Day? Israfil. What is the longest surah in the Quran? Al-Baqarah. What is the Islamic ruling system called? Sharia. What is the Islamic month of Hajj? Dhul Hijjah. What is the second pillar of Islam? Salah. How many years did the Quran take to be revealed? "23." Thank you for watching this video. Before you leave, let's recite the Shahada together. I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah, alone, without any partners. And I bear witness that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his servant and messenger. If you enjoyed our video, please like, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments on how we can improve.